Binance NFT Marketplace for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am going to show you how you can create, buy and sell NFTs with Binance NFT Marketplace. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is simply come to Binance.com. Now, you might be wondering, Binance is a crypto platform, right? Where we buy and sell cryptos. But do you know that now Binance also has its own NFT marketplace where we can actually buy, sell, and create our NFTs? So we will be checking out the NFT marketplace for Binance. So when you come to Binance.com, you will find NFT right here. Simply click on that and it will take you to NFT marketplace. So this is the NFT marketplace of Binance.com. Binance.com/NFT. So you will see that this is just a NFT marketplace, and this is actually a separate marketplace that Binance has created for NFTs, and you will be able to find all of these different collections right here. And for example, the BearX is actually here. I personally follow this collection. It is available right here, and on Binance you will find these verified creators, and you will be able to find these collections, verified collections, and then you can simply be able to find different collectibles and different NFTs. So now let's check out that how Binance NFT actually works, how the marketplace actually works. So the good thing about Binance.com/NFT NFT marketplace is that on this NFT marketplace, you can actually buy and sell NFTs in different ways. It's not just Ethereum. You will actually be able to buy and sell NFTs on Ethereum. Then we have BUSD, which is the Binance USD. Then you can directly buy and sell on crypto. Then we have the simple USD as well. We have BNB as well. So these are the different ways we actually can buy and sell NFTs on Binance. So you will be able to actually find the difference. Like the Binance USD is like 1000. Binance USD is 999.70. So it's like a little difference than the regular USD, but the Binance one is like just few points, it's higher than the USD. Then we have BNB, which is 0.5. BNB will make 231 USD. And then of course we have the Ethereum. It also works on Ethereum blockchain, if you are wondering that which blockchain it works on. So we have Ethereum as well. Some of the collections will be on Ethereum, like this one. This one is 0.45 ETH, and it is 1410. Okay, so this is cool. So how we actually buy and sell NFTs. So if I open up any of these NFTs, let's go with this one right here. Okay, I'm going with a BearX collection right here, and we'll open it up. So I have opened up this BearX Labs. This one is BearX collection of BearX Labs. So what happens is you will be able to find, this is the look of NFT when we open it up on Binance. So you will find the price right here, which is 0.45 ETH. Then we have listed by, deposited by, and then we have owner and of course the NFT name. And you will also find the type right here. And now, one thing that I would like to mention, you might be wondering that how to actually get started with the NFT marketplace, right? Will you have to create another account? If you already have a Binance account and you're wondering that how we can actually sign up for the marketplace, well, it's super easy. You will find this option right here of register right here. So when you register for Binance.com, then you will not require another account to use the marketplace. So if you already use Binance, then you don't have to register at all, because it is kind of like a built-in within the Binance.com platform. So you will be able to buy and sell NFTs with one account, and you will be able to buy and sell your crypto with Binance.com. So that is how it works, and that is why Binance is becoming really famous, because everybody knows Binance, right? Everybody kind of deals with crypto on Binance, and you can actually go ahead and buy and sell your NFTs. So this one is on Ethereum. Now if I want to buy it, I will simply click on buy now. After that, of course, it's on Ethereum. So when it comes to Ethereum, you will actually have to connect your wallet and add funds. If it's simple USD, you can, simply buy it with your credit card or debit card. And then when it comes to the Binance BNB or BUSD, that if you already have one, if you're trading your Binance or if you're trading your crypto and you are buying BUSD or BNB, then you can simply buy NFTs with that BNB or BUSD. So that's how it works. And then you can also go for a simple crypto. That is really amazing. You can change your crypto into other blockchains as well. You can change your crypto into USD or BUSD to buy and sell crypto. Now, when it comes to minting NFTs, you must be wondering how to mint NFT. Well, on Binance, this is actually a thing. It's not an open marketplace. It is an open marketplace where you will find different NFTs. For example, you will find the gaming NFTs, you will find these trading cards and everything. When it comes to minting your NFTs, Binance has verified collections. And it is actually one of the things on Binance, all the users are verified. If you are not verified, then you will not be able to mint because they have this. This is actually pretty good criteria, right? Because when the collections will be verified or the creator will be verified, then there is no doubt in that, and you will be able to find these very professional and verified creators and NFTs. So you have to get verified, and then you can simply mint your NFTs. If you want to discover more, if I go to discover more NFTs, I will be able to kind of check them out. So yeah, when it comes to selling your NFTs, again, when you will be minting your NFTs, you will get different options. If you want to sell it on your Ethereum, if you want to sell it on BUSD, BNB, so you can go for any of these. Then we have the top sales, we have top collections that you can actually check out. There are different collections available, verified creators. So if you're looking for a marketplace that is all in one, and if you are already using Binance, then you will actually love the NFT Marketplace because it has a lot of different features for you. When it comes to top collections, we have top creators as well. So if you like a particular creator, then you will be able to find his or her work, and it will really help you to kind of like get all the NFTs in cheap prices. I would actually say personally, I really like Binance, because what happens on Binance is that when it comes to BUSD, like check this one out. This NFT right here is 419 BUSD, which is $18, and this is actually not that bad. And when it comes to this one right here, it's 250 BUSD, and then it is just for $250. And then we have this one is like 0.2 BNB, which is like 92. So if you're looking for a marketplace and if you're looking for some cheap NFTs, then you can definitely check out these right here. Like check this one out. This one is just $69. Okay, this one is really cool. Then we have the gray board monkey. Okay, so this is like kind of, you see what somebody did here? They have kind of like played on the Bored Ape Yard, but you are getting this monkey for just $50. That is really cheap, So when it comes to the marketplace, I would say you will be able to find very cheap NFTs right here, and it is new. I would also say that because most of the people don't know that Binance has an NFT Marketplace yet. So that is why some of the top collections are still to be launched here, and then you can actually find very good NFTs in cheap prices. And as we talk about buying and selling, there are different ways to buy and sell NFTs on Binance.com. So yeah, guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to use Binance.com/NFT Marketplace and how this marketplace works and how you can create, buy, and sell your NFTs on Binance.com. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.